Hi now pangte. Natamzil na mo. Hey ka bangale mask male mask bud zeldi covid laya mask bud zeldi khud sil zeldi and khutte sanitize zeldi. All right. Tu kal sung teng ina damzel chat now ya ke kahile heutunu lun moi mo and tu niya kha kwate class la dia chile tu ni junior polte isin lai kha sin lai number thumna third mo sin lai number thumna. Okay, so kalma salama kha heututen bangsin laila wai chile kwa tangthua izeri chile Martin Luther tangthu kizir mole ama bangle atang thua zir di tamatamom mole but ahen ken chang in nangai to khazi luya bangzia ka yai ni dang lai thu te boring sim hei thu te bangzia ka izir kichizel mole ke bangile abul tu nga kha anangai to azel ke chu bangzia ka hei te tang thu khong izir like ni dang lai lo tai chu kumsang khat wal tamo a life to le ki relevant lo ma bang I Sunday school I thil hi te to le ki zom khalo mo achile bangjia ka amau thu izir gi ge boring akhen changa chimhwai bang na ki sapa pa mo so bangjia ka iziri chi lekha because it's very important to know our history mo igin na history kha bangahia chi ithei na dia kha mo popoi mo ba ka yai amau tang thu te tung to na kha igin na I Christian gin na koya pata hon ki pana le why ba ka we believe in a living God chi pen kha the a om zelin chin why zaka kha yai mithopi te Christian mithopi te thu isir ngai mo why zo changa kha bangja ka izir be ichi le amau tang thu a pata e hin khwa dia thil tam pi zir thei di omin chin why te bangle ki thei mo le ihon pi ching to changa kha I mun tom tama kiom din chin sa khwa dang tom hindu te ho ngai ke le sik te ke le pangal te khong ton kiom di cho wale amau gin na le e gin na pin kha banga ki khiat na le amau hon gen chang wa en le igin na pin kha ya hi chia I short thei na dia kha mo hei te kha sim ngai mole thei ngai. Alright, tuni kha kwa tang thua zirdi chile kha amin kha Polycarp hitop first name omlo surname omlo Polycarp hitop mole amin kha maktho mole popcarp chi changa kha bang khong ngai to naw mai dema biology carpal tunnel I khuta carpal tunnel chi khong ngai to na om kha mom hilale tunia kha itang thu kwa tang thu hinna tang kwa tang thu zirdiai chi lekha Polycarp tang thu ama kha koi century ama kha tu laya pyang le lo ni dang pek first century he lived in the first century mo so it's like really long time back mo but his story is very interesting so we're going to learn about him today. So Polycarp was born in 69 AD. Jesu pianma om teng kha hun kha before Christ ja ki genzel mo le Jesu hon piang zo tyanga kha AD ki chi. So if this was in 69 AD it means it was after Jesus was born. Okay, so he was born in 69 AD. Okay, why hi main abani pai main kha thil khat po poimo hi ngai bangai chi le tuni sin lai tangvom tuni sin lai tangvom ko ya pata ya ka left side ana mu theyu ya tuni sin lai tangvom kha kilak na bungni changsom sapau Bible endi hile Revelation mo the book of Revelation this is the last book of the Bible. Okay, I Bible akha last book pek ma pen Revelation chapter 2 verse 10 kilak na bungni changsom khadei sim khom diwa 1 2 3 nathuak pa ding thilte ki taken ngai in zeet a na om theina ding in diabol in nalakwa a khente swangkul a hongkhum pa ding nisom sungim thuak na nei ding uhin si pha in ginom in omin huchi in hinna la luhu kon pe ding hi banga tunia I Bible chang itang bo ma banga isin thei chi le pathianin banga hon thu sol banga hon thu kha I chi le na thuak pa ding thil te hin kwa kha thil neu chik chik hak sat na ki thwa gi ge chu mo kwa ma hin kwa life a struggle difficulty nei lo om lo so Jesus is telling us that Yai na thil thuak te khamo limken don't be afraid and don't think it is like thil thupi lwa or thuak zo lo di chin ngai twaken yai pen kha wai kha test hi diaboli chi kha satan mo doi pa in hon test na hi diaboli chi kha satan min dang kha thin chin satan in kha hon test na hi yai te mo so yai pen kha lungke lo in swal som te te in na hak satan na twa te kha swal te te in wai changa kha diabol satanin kha he pinchu metaphoric again na mo cha nisom sung chi chu hun tom chik sung mo nisom chi chu hun tom chik chu hun tom chik sung chau hon ze at dia hi chin chin le hiai hon ze at chi chu hon test sungin kha ginomin chi chu pathiana ginomin like don't leave God mo ke hon nu second Trust me mo huchi lekha hinna lalluhu kon peding hi chi meaning pathianin haksat na I twa changa pathian I let kip ten lekha pathianin lalluhu crown mo reward to pi hon pedi hi chi kha tunia kha pathianin revelations ki lak na bungni changso ma hon thu kha mo all right let's start the lesson Polycarp pen kha tunia bangza ka simdi chi lekha he is one of the few people mo ama pen kha 69 AD pek ya why pek kha kwa a jesu wa si zo kha aman kha nungzui som lani ne chumale nungzui som lani kha jesu ina sia kha banga athu kha achile gam gam teng ba pain lan go into all the nations and preach the good news che chumale tua ken kon thil gen te ke to no om laya na thil zil te ke nan thil mu te kha gam ma mun ma ki the za kun lan waya wa hilun chi kha pathianin thu sol pya I chumo nungzui som lani te wai te kha sapa wa kha ama kha apostles ki chi mo so waya kha apostle te la kha apostle khat amin kha John mo apostle John ki chi omin tin ama kha he is the oldest surviving member mo he is the oldest surviving apostle ama kha asina nung pen hin chen mo nungzui te la Johanin kha directly bangkha Polycarp pen kha thu hil mo hil lai hil this jesu hin khot thu le athil mu teng athil sin teng kha aman kha directly kha Polycarp kha ama kha a teacher mole so why zaka kha Polycarp source pen kha authentic pet ma mo so he was one of the first few people to have been taught directly by the apostle John okay te aki patung laiwa kha mo jesu thu ginna iki patung laya kha waya kha amau kha soina thupi taktwa kuai chu chile wai soina thupi taktwa te laka kha martyr kichi mo wai te kha martyr is somebody who is killed more for their religious belief mole agin na ja kwa that soya oma that te kha mo wai te kha martyr kichi mo so he was one of the first martyrs 12 martyrs om injin mo I Christian faith kha ama kha wai te laka kha somlani te laka kha mi khat a hi ja kha mi point mo okay so for the story of Polycarp we have to understand ama kha ko ya pataon ki pan he was from a place called Smyrna mo spelling Smyrna Smyrna ha ko ya mai chile Greece om he ya map ana mu theu here you can see he ya kha why hun la ya map chu why ama hun la ya first century ya map chu he ya kha Aegean Sea om geography simten ka world geography simten ka thei di cho Aegean Sea om Mediterranean Sea wa ya kha ya Greece mo Greece country ya kha khwa kha to min chin wai pen kha Smyrna okay so Smyrna pen khamo athupi dan kha tu tana at present day tale na atlas no world atlas hongleo te mo Greece kha Smyrna ki chi khwa khopi khatom di so in the future na lechang un ka you can go to that city mo and see where Polycarp was from. Greece pen kamo wailaya ka it was very famous and popular. Why chile ka Alexander the Great na zakhange yu ya Alexander the Great ka he was a very great conqueror mo ma ka warrior thupi tak khathin chin so man ka mun teng ka conquerin chin chile ka why zaka ka Greek culture mo tua K-pop athanda na kamo wailaya ka Greek te khathang athangwei chu agam hei danu athil hi danu agin na te u khong moi kele a festival a celebrate danu ai kele akichei danu bang khathang athangi chu tu la ya Korea te kichei dan athan dana mo K-pop chi kho so huchidana kha Greek Smyrna pen kha Greek influence no aya omin chin why bana kha hunon paizelin chin Polycarp huntanon tu na kha they were under the Roman Empire pen kha kwatin wa yomi chile Julius Caesar te Antonius te wainwaya omu mo so amau tuni nanwaya omu so Romans and Greeks te kamo wala kha amau kha pagan echu pagan bangai chile nature worshippers mo amau kha doi le ganhing le nisa chi te khong biao mo and they worship nature mo amau kha yai nature tui hing sun khong bezelu mo and amau kha wala kha different gods and goddesses ne yu so for example thil khong movie khong ye changa kha Percy Jackson Percy khong wa changa Troy Helen of Troy chi khong male wa changa Achilles chi te khong wai kha amau te pathian ni chu he kha Greek to Roman te pathian mo amau kha min tom ne naw chen hi cha amau kha pathian hing belo wei chu achanga kha amaute laka kha ginna tom neo mun so ahenten kha nature worship zelu mo ahente kha stoic amau kha philosophy khat nei unchin strict di nui lo di life enjoy lo di chi teo mo ki pa lo di inui nak luat le kha waya kha inui nak luat changa kha da na oma hi til enjoy lo dia hi chi dan deu mi le omu cho amau kha stoic te mo wai kha another extreme omunchin amau kha epicurean kichi amau kha khovel chumo enjoy dia hi zu don di nopsak di khovel nopsak di kichei di sumsen ja di chi kha amau kha ahin khwa paidan agin naw mo amau kha epicurean kichi hilale avekwa a common kha bangai chile amau kha sacrifice pen kha gingta wai jaka gan hing khong ai kele a hente bangin naw nge khong thatu mo apathian teu adoi teu kha asuklung kim na duwa le athum na teu kha athum na la teu kha apathian teu a so called pathian teu ka azak thek na dia adon thek na duwa kha sacrifice hi zelu mom chile kha wala kha Hellenism mi chi pen kha dana kon genda na kha Greek culture pen kha mo Hellenism ki chi chu wai kha K-pop dana kha popular chu wala ya mom and then Polycarp hu na kha Hellenism mi chi pen kha Greek te gindan kha athan lai take chu very popular mo everybody wanted to be a Greek person mo why backdrop pen kha ina take that nga ya hiyo okay, yai backdrop kha Polycarp kha hon piangi chu 69 AD ama kha Smyrna patahilo apian namun kha kithelo mo le early life thu ko apianga anu le pate kwa hi ke le bangchidan hin khwa bangchidan mia chi te kha kithei tom bangja ki chi le kha ama hun la ya kha mo written records history ai ke le ana record tu di kha min kha wai ngai to na ana nei nai lo only 2 people recorded them in history mo Polycarp pen wai te laka kha Eusebius ke chio mention wai pen kha en kha next sin laya ki zirdi mo ama pen nin kha tom chik wai le thu ka na theilo mention tom chik cho Polycarp thu apoi mo dan banga ama ahin khwa banga athil hi thu pi pen kha anagel kha zen in jin waya pata kha en kha athil hi na ami hi na ki thei mo Polycarp pen kha ama kha dena ka gen dan ma banga kha he was a student of the apostle John mo ama kha John student hinjin hilale so he was one of the ama kha ni dang laya school dan dewa school kailo we chu ekele university dana kailo John tung to na kha ปะเทียนมันเจสุอันเทียนจินจีเลยค่ะไว้ค่ะมาค่ะจอห์นนุงซุยจอห์นทูจอห์นค่ะเฮลตุเดียหุ่นปมมั่วแต่ค่ะมันค่ะ directly อะปะตาจอห์นอะปะตาค่ะเจสุทูสิรินจินจีเลยบางจิดานาจิไรจีเลยมาค่ะจอห์นแกงสกูลอะบักไก่เรามาค่ะไลทอนเกลเจลูมั่วเปปาร์ไซจ้ะไลทอนเกลเจลุนจินa question อันนี้เตะของใครจะทนเจริญจินจีเลยจอห์นเล่อะฮิลนาเตะค่ะเจสุเดดันเตะเจสุนัทุขับเตะใครจะค่ะมันค่ะ letter รักที่ทนเจลูมั่วso he also Smyrna om namuna kha aki makyang te akha man kha wai kha ni Jesu thu hon hil ta mo achi le kha wai akha amau biakin hon ki form mun chin Johanin kha soltak Johanin kha Polycarp kha bishop diagwan okay wai akha Bishop dia hon guang ta chio chile amau kha aki makyanga mi tampin ki khopna amau income en veng fellowship in nei dan dewa sungkwan ki khopna nei dan dewa kha amau kha ki mu khom zel chun ki khom zel wei chu amau kha Jesu thuan sin takwa khamo ki khopna khomon nei takwa kha amau kha Jesu thu kha thei thak mi ei changwa kha so they were confused and then amau lekha idanga athil zui teu kha nut siat di thil biak idol maya kun di chi te khong kha mau kha nu chia thaksa sakasau zu don lo di chi te khong bang le haksa sakasau mo hi wai kha mau kha achi le kha amau kha on compromise so muai chu abyak na danu mo waya Greek te biak dan tom chik ladi haya Jesu gen tom chik ladi wai kha cha hel khom di chi changwa kha amau kha Polycarp kyanga bag genu mo hi chi ni hi diu chi changa kha Polycarp no yai kha pathian de dan hilowa hi Jesun de dan hilowa hi chi diun chin chile ami piten nang bang chida na thei mo chi changwa kha aman kha kina kha apostle soltak Johan kyanga kha laithon kel zel di hia hi chin ka hi somwa adikhya cha dongzel mo chile kha Johan in kha laithon mu changa kha simzel en chin aman kha I yai kha Jesun on thu kha dan hilowa hi chida na kha direct amau kha Johan kyanga ama kha intermediary apang mo amilaya pang okay waya khamo ama hun laya kha heya ma pa namu theyu hya heya yai kha Rome ti thuni nan waye chu waya kha mau kha emperor khat Roman emperor khat hunon ki khengze len chin hunon paize len chin Rome te kumpi pa kha Antonius kichi ommo Antonius Pius kichi waya chile kha aman khamo yai Christian ginna Jesu Christ ging tu te khamo hon suppress so me chu bangja kai chile amau ngai to da na kha Jesu Christ ging tu ten kamo Rome kumpi pa thune na pen kha challenge hi chiun chen wai ja ka kha mau kha de lo mo ha chi le mau kha rebel di wa hi le a paidan te a Romans te paidan te I biak dan te o inop bol dan te o kha amau kha hon de lo di chin hon ki twam khen som di wa hi a chi ja ka kha aman kha phal lo mo aman kha kumpi hi ja ka zuinon ken chi thei lo wai chu bang chida na kha hi ai chi le kha azui te khamo aman kha god wei chu god un chin torture un chin wai kha a hen te bang thatu mo hu chon that chang wa kha ami pi dang ten kha hon la wei chu as yai igin le mo hi cha Jesu igin le amao hon that di wei le wei hon man di wa hon that diu mo The early Christians were persecuted by the Roman Emperor Antonius mo and many were killed mo many were martyred Roman Empire nwaya khamo they had a very great emperor kwai chile kha Julius Caesar kichi mo he was essentially the beginning of the Roman Empire ama ma kha empire omlo we chu Roman ama kha small counties in chin chile kha Caesar nwaya Julius Caesar nwaya khamo ama kha empire thupi ta khathon swaku so Caesar silung Caesar bana emperor om teng khamo ama kha honorific zana mindana khamo amau kha amin mawa kha Caesar kichi thwa jelu so hemi pa kha amin kha heya kumpi pa kha amin kha Antonius hinjin hilele amau kha akipuak da nu kha bangai chile kumpi apang changwa kha aminwa kha Antonius ma kha Caesar pin thwa umo so gen te na ke bang nidang laya rom te hun laya ke bang rom te kumpi nu hileng mo kamin di kha heutu nu lun moi chumale non sabda nu kha hilele rom te kumpi nu hileng kamo kamin kha Empress Caesar lun moi hidi mo. So Caesar is an honorific. So mi teng teng min ma kha Caesar ki bel ziel mo. Kumpi za na da na kila mo. Ti lekha waya kha Polycarp pen kha ama sa nga lekha threatening zo aja kha mi teng tengin ama agin zia kwa kha ama thu kha alag vek zia kwa kha le Jesus Christ ging tu tam de zia kwa kha waya Rome te kumpi pa Kaiser Antoninus sin kha ma kha tha dia puang mon ama kha wanted list a puang why kom kala khamo Marcion kichi khat mi ome chu who was he ama kha Hellenistic beliefs te khamo Greek te paidan te kha pai pi tu khatai chu ama kha ama support mi khat hin jin ti lekha ama kha yai Polycarp thilgen Jesu thu again pen khamo azwa zawa hi chin chin man kha challenge dia kha theoretically kha challenge dia kha Smyrna wazin mo Smyrna wazin kha Polycarp ava mutaka khamo aman Polycarp tamzel mo non theya kenon thei nge yam achi le kha Polycarp in amu pheta kha banga gen chi le kon thei nge thama doi mang pa tapa masapen nahi chi mo sapa wa kha banga hi le chi le of course I know you are the firstborn of the devil chi mo doi mang pa tapa masapen so ya lim lak na mu ya he pen kha ni dang lai pe ka kha a drawing e chu Polycarp in the thilgen pen doi mang pa tapa masapin na hi chi kha alak na danwa kha illustration dana kha yai doi dana a draw okay huchi dana kha aman kha Marcion challenge pen kha aman kha defeat the mo waya kha kumpi pan kha yai Polycarp pen kha mat nge ngai hi kha se paite sol mo go and look for Polycarp cha kha sol mo waya kha alom le khan wal khen ti ama de isak mi ten kha Polycarp your life is in danger chin khopi polama field mo low mu na kha low bu khat mo barn khatom in chin waya kha ma kha bu mo ma kha selu ma kha waya ki bu ka khamo hun sot simbas ome chu hilele waya kha asol tak mi khat Justin kichio mention mo Justin in kha ama pen kha Justin in kha ama pen kha wa out chu china chu he outed him se paite kya nga kha hey listen Polycarp na zong pe nu khamo paya doi lobu ka mai yo cha kha wa hit mo but then you know what's so funny ama kha soldier te kha Polycarp mandia kha wa pai we chu. But the funny thing is, while I kamo TV la omlo, drawing chi la omlo, painting chi la omlo, amao kha they did not know Polycarp bangchidan miya, a male bangchidana, bangchipuaka chi kha mau kha the hello idea ne lo. But then Polycarp mandia chu va pai hiao chu, zokar thau chu, why kha va pai unchin, va pai va mar chu mo, why kha Polycarp in kha aki sel namun alobu ka pata kha aki book namun a pata kha aman ka wai se pai te khawan pai de ku hi chi thei ta cho athom gingu zata e khong bang ki le ki pataw di cho bang hi di mi khong ki ban kol di bang hi di se pai ton pai de ku ke chi di mo hilele ama kha pataw lo in tin lungwa ang ta ka chen na tu he did not fear anybody mo he was not afraid he was very calm and then when the soldiers came to him and they said so listen do you know who Polycarp is? We're looking for him. We have come to arrest him. Ti mo. E kong bang kihile mo se paite pathian za dalo din se paite on payu hen lan hon mandi bang hileo hon theki hen lan yai heu tunulun moi na mo khangi ya mandian kwan kai u chileo e bang kihile thelo kin kwa thelo kichi khadi mo but then Polycarp was very truthful mo ke kahi I am the Polycarp you are looking for I am he chin mo but then aman khamo pataw twan lo in chin ke hon mandia hon kwan na hi ule kon zui di mo thumang ta hen kon zui di but ipai maun no le na gimlo tua tol dam photun tui khong donun lan nek khong bangyam khat neun na gimlo diu cha kha man kha anek di pya in chin tui khong le pya mak tho mo e khong bang ki le se paition paile mandinon paile an khong in sak diam sa khong ilui diam kilui hello di ve mo hilele ama kha hu chin chin waya se paite kya nga kha aman imo se paite please takin request khat ka bolut I ken chu thumang takin kon zui dia hilele hei tuina do na rest kom kalun dakal kim cho ก็วักิทุมดีคนทุมพาลุนจีมอจีเลค่ะเสไปเต็นเลย okay fine วักิทุมิน but half an hour โจจีมอ so what he did was อามาค่ะรู้มาไปอินจินกงกิขาคูบินจินกิทุมมอคงบางกิเลค่ะจานจอมจีดินจินมอตุกเวรพลมาค่ะกิตายเฮดิจิโออามาหูจิโลอินจินทุมังตะกะคุกดินอินจินปัทยานซามินจินทุม so อทุมินก็บังทุมดิ้งอินนักิงตามีปางไงฮิเลคงบางกิฮิเลโอตัวป้าเสไปเดินมันเด็กว่าเฮปีตะกินุนปันปีโน่คงคิดสิไหมเทจิโอปัทยันแกงาปันปีนะไอ้เกเลสวาตางนากิเงินดิจิโอ like Lord please free me from these policemen คงคิดสิเดียจู but then polika pin kha hu chilo winchin instead athuma khamo aman ama adar ki thum lo winchin ama jesu ging tu mi thakte ai kele ama alom le khanwal te ging tu te adya thum otopa amau tunga vai hom te salna tuak saken jakha man kha thum na lan khia mo wai da kal ki mon zo kha ama le hon tho khia inchin ding inchin se pai ten kha payo le pai di chin chin chile aman le thumang ta ka wa zui mo waya aman kha change akhuta migilo dana mo akhuta kha ama migilo hilo ei chu but then migilo dana kha akhuta change kong wa unchin thumang ta ka kha aman kha wazui so wai hun la ya khamo amao kha eidan dewa judges courtroom si khongom lo a judge kwai chile akumpi pa hin chin mo hi chi dana kha amao kha public trial nei je luwei chu then amao khamo ami pi te kha chim thei lo wei chu so a chim thoi na duwa khamo yai migilo te khong a hi kele kumpi pa na mat te khong miswal cha mat te khong khamo amphitheater tu lai stadium dan sim mo amphitheater ra tu khom nai nei je lun chin alaya kha feel khatome chu waya kha amau kha amphitheater hi lama kha atung lama kha namu theu ya na lim namu theu ya ya atung lama kha aku a governor pa mo kumpi pa hello a governor pa vai hom hwai muna dia a vai hom pa tu la hi lekha banga hi dia o a dc pa mo a dc pa 2 inchin a dc pa 2 inchin aman ka migilo cha apwan changa khamo waya asunga pata kha lion tion pai hezelun chin ama kha wai lion ti to kiswal sak zelu so mi hing to lion kiswal changa chu lion en zodi chu mole lion en kha alu khong ke khyak sak zelen chin apum mu khong ni cha ne zelen chin chi changa kha mi pi te kha chaki ki ko cha ye cha khana ki ko zelu ama wa dia kha entertainment dana na hi mo he pen kha gladiator movie wa changa Ben Hur chi te khong yet le wa le ki mu thei mom so hu chi ma banga kha hi chidana pathian gingtu mwan hwai te mo hi cha kha mau kha amphitheater ra kha ton pi zelun chen hwaya kha Julius Caesar lim khat a bust khat mo a sculpture khat hian na mu theu hi lim hi chidan le khat tung zelun chen hwaya kha aku a governor pan kha yai napathian pen ka zuinon ke ya Caesar maya ka kundi yai Caesar pen ka bedi ka pathian hi chin pomin amaya kunin hu chi ke le ya lion te to na kiswal di chi dana kha option pe zel mo hu chi le kha mi tampi mi som le khat takin khamo hu chi dana kha pathi yai milem maya ka kun ke di ke pathian mai pathian hing ka bia a ka pathian ka bedi ka beden di ka taisan ke di chi mom uchidana kha mau kha pathian a kipte khamo hwai apwan khi to changwa kha mau kha lion te laka kha swal dia sol je lu chile kha mau kha se je lu mo obviously waya kha gingtu mi khatome chu amin kha Quintus kichiom mo Quintus lekha ama kha gingtu min thange chu min le ama theun chin ama lekha ya lion amphitheater a manun chin ama kha kumpi governor pan kha ya kaiser limmaya kunin lan ama byain achile pathian chu I tho hilele si pen kha lao zo in chin waija ka aman kha pathian tai san in chin waya milem maya wa kun mo so e bangle hin kwa khen changa kha pathianin jesu in ka zwaw gen lo di hi pathianin ka zwaw gen lo di thu man di hi chi thei na pi a kha ken changa kha a easy lam pen kha ki zui kha zel mo a hi lo di lam hu chi ma panga kha Quintus in le kha pathian pen tai sana milem maya kun mo chile akun taka kha akum pipan kha freedom pia mo and then next ta kha Polycarp hunon hita chile kha Polycarp in kha te ka te tai chu kumsom gug le kumsom gyal le gug wal hitai chu chile kha a governor pa mo wai lungsim hekin la Kaiser Minen thu chamin la hu chin ken kon swak ta sak ding chi mo like I'll free you chi e chu hilele Polycarp in kha he chidi naging ta ya do you know what he said he replied kum som gyat le guk ving veng mo anna ka sem ta a chi he anna chi pen kwa na chi le Christ na mo Jesu Christ kum som gyat le guk sung veng veng kha ama anna ka sem ta a khat vele katunga diklo a hi nge ke hi chin kwan hi diklo nge lo Jesu in mo achile bang chidanin ka kumpi pa ama kumpi pa pen kha kwa chile Jesu Christ mo ka kumpi pa ka to pa le ka hondam pa ka ham sia thei ma dia chi mo how can I curse my God chi mo sapa wa kha hey Greek translation into English a kha bangal chile hey ya nasim theu ya isim khom diwo 86 years have I served Christ nor has he ever done me any harm. How then could I blaspheme my King who saved me? I bless thee for deeming me worthy of this day and this hour, that I may be among thy martyrs and drink the cup of my Lord Jesus Christ. Haya kha sapa wadang khat again namu ya if you think I will swear by the genius of Caesar Maya Kaiser Maya kundinon sakule then you do not know who I am mo hear me clearly I am a Christian chi mo chilekha hu chahon gen chenga kha governor pan kha upai dang ne lo chio achilekha Polycarp pen kha criminal hi ama kha miswala hi and then guilty of treason kumpi pa against sa thilge na hi mo ma kha kumpi pa ham sia ta hi chin ama pen kha haldi hi chi mo bangchida na haldi chile steak chi chu hi chida pol khat omin chen mo waya kha sing pol khata icha hen diun chin akhuta hen diun chin anwaya kha sing rem diun chin waya icha dingsa am di hal diu chida ne chu chile kha ami pi te kha ki pa ku ye chi we chu mi hal mu diu cha ma ki phur mo ku mo mak tho chile kha amao kha ase pai ten kha waya mi teng maya kha hal som tau chio a hal na di khongon bol tau a chile kha a hon bol takwa kha amao kha ya na mu ya alim a hal na den bol takwa kha mo a khwam dion toy we chu chile kha hen som we chu chile kha aman kha hon hen ngai lo wa hi I will not move katang kd kaling kd pathianin hon kem dia hi my Lord will keep me still mo chin chile kha amao le okay chin chile hen lo wa gak lo wa yai pol mo khwam jang lo wa khai cha hal som we chu a chile kha mo thil khat ma ka mak tu nge chu a hal som de ku le kha ama kha kwang thei lo mai nak sanga kha atak sa pen kha hun wa it began to glow golden color ha hon glow in chin chile mi ten le sepai ten le maksau cho chile governor pan le maksa achile kha waya kha governor pa kha hon pataw ta cho chi chu pathian mi ten kha maksa di unchin hiai pa kha asi ke le mi pi ten kha hiai cha asi ke le kha mi pi ten kha ama pathian pin hon ging di wa hi Jesu Christ pen hon zui vek di wa hi chin waya kha ase pai ti kyanga kha kinin temin dotun chi mo chile kha waya kha ama silo si thailo kha waya kha kwang thailo kha apanga patai cha tema do to mo they pierced him and then he died mo and huchidana kha si hilele asi ma kha aman kha banga again chile kha aman kha topa pathiano martyr a sita kanon se zyakin ka kipa khi thupi na le pa toina teng nang kon pia hi pathian thupi na le pa toina dia kha hei thwa ka hi chi puang cho au chi le ka enve tu tan tana enama thu ki zir lai cho hu chi ke le ka en ki mang hil ta di chu mole hilale tu tan akhanga kha ama mi hausa le lo chu mi thupi le lo kumpi le lo hilale tu tan akhanga khang zui a century som ni le khat tak pai ki tung tain chin le en ka ama thu ki sin lai mo athupi dan pathianin a bol thupi dan pathiana dia ki piak zo sia ka huchima banga kha e bang le ikipyak zo ngai mo pathiana dia puchi lekha wa ya kha ma kha hiai thil tenga tunga kha ama kha 155 AD mo hiai kha thil tung kha 155 AD so he died in 155 AD dot nale don nai pai diwa ilai bui nei cha tu hia I workbook te nei cha tu hia i nei ke le I haya na phone wa ai ke le net namun mun wa lima na laun lan khonungin ana answer te na gelu no ama sa pen kha question dot na ama sa pen bangai chile Polycarp bangchik kuma pia nga hia mo in which year was Polycarp born chile answer bangai chile 69 AD mo 69 AD apiang mo next Chikkum in Polycarp asia bangchi bangasia hia mo I just told you Chikkum in Polycarp asia chichu koi kumasia chilekha 155 AD in asi mo 155 AD in asi bangchidana sia may a halup ahi may a halup ahi okay gel hintaw hia abana number 2 na Rome ukpipan agin na tai sandi nga akut lai in Polycarp bangchi bangin adonga mo chile adon na bangai chile kumsom gyat legok sung ving veng ana kasem ta a khadveile katunga diklo a hi nge ke hi bangchin kakumpi pa katopa le kahondampa kaham siat theima ma dia chi in adong hi mo sao sim chio nagel theoria okay pana Smyrna khwa a Christian te laka ginna top san pa min genin nathi lai ya bangale Quintus ahi okay last na Polycarp martyr a asi deklai a athum na genin mo chile answer adon na bangai chile topa pathiano martyra sitak anon se ziakin kakipaki thupi nale patoina teng teng nangkon pia ahi chi na thum mo anagel hinu no alright next ha mun ong te hi dimin mo fill in the blanks alright number 1 pen kha Polycarp tu sol tak dash sin sak dong mi hi kwai chile sol tak Johan mo ani na a Polycarp tu dash chi in a mo bang chi in Christian te pa mo okay athum na AD 155 in Rome kwa a sinsak na diklo toy tu kwa hi diale Marcian to kimu hi telawia kwa doi mang pa tapa na hi achi pa kha an pa kha Marcian mom for na Rome kumpi dash vai home line Christian te soinale martyr asina mulkim huai atung kwa chile Antoninus mo number 5 na lom hoi ten Polycarp kuya selua lekha lobuka number 6 na tangwal no mga lekha lasasiam minto ki bangsim dash in sepaite hongpai avahil kwa chile Justin chile 7 na dash kichi in agin na Tyson kwale mga lekha min Quintus mole okay 8 na kumpipan dash min a thuchiam ding in akun kwa ai chile Kaiser okay last na Polycarp in Marcian kya nga kwa tapa hi chia doi mang pa tapa piang masapen na hi achi okay so ta cho thumang ta kinan na ngai na mo tunia isin laya pata banga isin thei chile nanangai tua khau ya bang sinthe dia o chikhonga anangai tua bang le nom di mo chile bangai sinthe chile ama sapin pin kha learn about your faith from a reliable source like Polycarp kholaya thilmi again te kha ponging tak di hilo mo influence tampiom mi tuam popular tuam mi thugen min thang tuam khong bang leom di choi le why mi na zui zaka kha again udikti na wa hilo mo for example Polycarp bangle koya pata jesu thu koya pata zerai chile aman kha Apostle John Soltak Johan who was directly taught by Jesus Christ mo jesu indirect ka ahil pina pata kha man ka direct ka zerai chu chile kha a source ka authentic pet mai chu mo huchima banga kha ein le thil khong izak changa igin na thu kha koya pata izira chi kha i et chan ngai mo so the most reliable source is our Bible mo ilai siang tho thil khong izak changa imu changa kha ama sapin pina kha yai ka Bible a hi china ki galia lai siang tho wai china ki galia chi kha i et masak ngai okay yaya ki gel a hi ke le chu gin tak lo di okay ba ka waya dia kha I Bible lai siang tho sim ngai mo huni piak ngai okay so we have to spend time to learn and study the word of God mo hu chi lekha thudik lo pen kha ki khen ka thei di number 2 na kha pathianin Jesu Christin kha Adam laya kha banga hon sola chi leka on thil thu kha ipai na lam gam tenga bapain lan ka thugen te vahilin mi te kya nga nations kya nga vahilin chi chu mo preach the good news chi chu so Chris nungzui Chris a hing I hi le chu imo puak na thupi tak khat pathianin hon thu kha banga chi le kha pathian theinai lo te mo Jesu Christ theinai lo te kya nga kha thu hoi Jesu Christ hodam na thu hoi pen kha itun sak ngai chu I hil ngai mo that is our life's responsibility as a follower of Christ hun tenga khamo ikama bagen thelo we chu mi ki influence thegi ge lo mo ikam pa wa gen thelo but why sanga poi mo zo I hin khwa I hin dan I gam ta dana kha iki ma kyang ten kha oh hi chu Chris ging tu hi chi kha ahon mu theiwa e hin dan le e gam he zia ka mi tein what makes this person so different ja khamo banga hai different na e I want to know cha kha Jesu thu kha e hin na tung to na a thei ut na duwa kha e le pani lak ngai okay ba na kha not to bow down before idols mo milem maya ikun lo di idol chi changa kha milem chi changa kha ama sapin pena K-pop idol hi lo wa yo ani na pena kha idol chi changa kha ya vai pathian tom te mo yai amin tom mo mi chu mo zong bang khong le om a hen te la la wai a le cha ka khia khong le om chu khut tam atam ne te khong bang le om yai te kya idol hi lo wa hi chi kha I the isyam ngai thil Bible in kha banga ge ni chi le thil him thil khat pe pe pathian le nang ki kal a hon pai him pathian ma na ko him thil kha if you put anything between you and God mo that is an idol so for example it can be something as simple as gentena nang kha tu ni kha dakar khat lai siang tho sim 9 ka hun ka jang di chi ne chu mole why hun na zat dek taka khamo phone call khaton pai ai ke le PUBG da ki mol lak lo lo ai ke le na thil et lak lo khat K-pop serial khatom mo K serial khatom chu ari rang khonga why te teng thil him ai ke le na lom le khan ba ten pai ba pot ti chin why na ba pota kha hun sot ba jang lo kha mo why te teng bang le kha mille man hizial that is anything that comes between you and God is an idol why pen kha I the isyama pilwan ma di mo le abana bangai zirdi tile have the courage to stand up for Christ mo Jesu wa dia kha muan hwai I hi ngai hilale I hin kwa kha ilom ten ka he hi zol ve poilo di are poilo di bang ma chilo di male why kha ipai pi lo di why pen kha pai pi lo di ba ka I hin kwa kha min pathian I Jesu pen ka again sia ta bangam are Jesus is like he is just a human being he is not God also again lekha you should have the courage to say no Jesus is the Lord and Savior cha kha mi maya na zoom na dia hi la lekha na ding pi ngam ngai mo you have to be strong enough, you have to have the courage to stand up for Christ. Okay, hey pen ka imo puak. Last but the most important pen ka bangai chi le learn to give thanks and praise God for the difficult times as well. Mi hingi hi na kamo no chu tua ha e kha tua kumbang zai ta class 6 apata class 9 tan khong ki hi e chu male. So yai I life sunga kamo life tampi hindiom lai chu I life a khamo haksa hun ki tuak vek di I haksa to khamo ki bang vek lo di hilele I haksa I tua changa khamo lungkhia a ki ngai siat papa le khawai kha pathian de dana na hilo mo instead haksa I tua changa we have to fight more, we have to have the will to fight and also at the same time haksai to achanga lungke lowa we need to thank God otopa haksa nun tuak saka yai haksa tuak tak thuak the dia non saktak jakin ka kipak ja kha pathian kenga kipa thui gen ngai yai ka haksa tungtonin namin thupi in pa toinom hen chi kha I thum na a hi the ngai a hi yo yai kha tunia polikap hin khwa pata hin na pata isin theite male okay interesting tho male alright lunglu takin na nangai hin khianu hia okay tuni kha alas na dina tuni itang gom pen khat ve yen thak non diwa tilak na bungni changsom na thuak pa ding thilte ki taken mo ngain ze eta na om the na dingin diabol in nalakwa a hente swang kul a hon khum pa ding ni som sungim thuak na nei ding hi si pha in ginom in omin huchi in hinna la luhu kon pe ding hi okay na om na mun chia tua hai tu ni tang vom ana by heart no achile yo na vekuna om nuamin tu kal ho itakin man phatakin na jang chat ni ole alright pangpa bye bye